Hey guys, and welcome back to our live reaction for Slime Episode 9. I'm X Creek, that's Azelfan and Harold.
Hello.
Well,
Alright, let's begin in 3, 2, 1, go. So this is our second attempt at recording because
Yeah, at least until the
someone
opening.
fucked up.
in the first
Mm.
recording
I played the wrong video.
apparently Azelfan is watching episode 8 and he didn't realize because the first thing we saw is the opening, right? So
Yeah.
when the
I mean, that
anime
part was
starts,
fair, but
yeah.
Yeah.
he even talked about it like this episode 9, right? And then he's like, I'll just open it. What?
Mhm.
Yeah, my bad, guys. My bad.
Yeah.
On another note, as Creek said before this recording, it's the Ogre episode.
Yeah, ogre episode, right?
It's
I think.
all ogre.
No, shut up. Yeah, again, if you look at all of these characters in the opening, you can kind of see which characters are probably featured in this ogre's arc something.
I mean, if anything, it just shows how prominent all of them will be in the later episodes, right?
I guess, yeah.
They all have like decent screen time in the opening.
There's
and
also
ending,
that
so.
guy who's fighting Rimuru just now. He seems like he has like, I don't know, a lot of underlings.
In one scene, yeah, but I wasn't even sure it's the same guy because he never like stood still in the fighting one. It's like I couldn't really see his face properly. So I don't get that. Why do they make yurts instead of houses?
I don't know.
Aren't yurts? You? I thought you make yurts because you like want to be able to move around like nomads, but they're gonna settle. So why? Why not just make proper houses?
Yeah, I guess that's true. Or maybe they make these like tents or whatever, just to prepare before they build the houses, at least as like temporary housing. Maybe, I don't know.
It's fully furnished though, like this one.
I guess, yeah. Well, this is like he's like the chief or whatever, right? So, of course, they would fully furnish his place.
What are you?
Guess.
Oh,
It's a his, yes, because they wouldn't show all of these if if his body is actually.
Well, if you're
yeah.
generous.
Well, yeah, it's probably like a Barbie doll. There's nothing down there.
Or he can transform into
into
something
I
if
think he
he
can
wants
transform it to anything he wants.
So he's a Schrodinger slime.
Oh,
Mm.
hey. But when you transform, your magic sense just disappear.
Can you?
Should be.
Ooh. So
Okay.
yes.
More than body double. He made like 10 at least.
Kage Bunshin no Jutsu. Oh, I mean what? Oh, there you go.
Okay.
Well, without the
Oh, he's wondering now.
Hmm.
Am I a boy? Am I a girl?
Well, some people would disagree, but sure, whatever.
Can't you just tell from your own crotch?
Yeah. What's there?
Nothing?
Is there nothing there?
What?
So it's actually a Barbie doll. Yep, there you go. It's actually a Barbie doll. Nothing there, yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Can't you just change your body? I think you can. You can, right? No? I guess not.
Should be, but I don't know.
No, I don't think he can.
Oh. Oh.
Probably.
Red one.
I don't think it'll have clothes though. Oh, I think it looks masculine enough. There you go.
Yep. Can you make a feminine one?
Okay.
It's really weird with the jawline.
Hmm.
Oh, there you go.
Censorship incoming. That's not too bad.
It's fine.
Whoa.
Not as much censoring as I thought.
Yeah, that was fine. I think maybe I don't know.
Okay, actually, okay.
Okay, sure.
At least it's modest about it. Well, in this form, can you taste it?
Yeah. Yeah, you can taste stuff now, right?
Yep.
Probably.
I mean, he should.
Yeah. Oh, that's actually pretty impressive for you to get disconnected and reconnect and know what we're talking about.
I could guess. I'm very good at that.
Yeah, in case any of you didn't know, Hells just got disconnected and reconnected.
Yeah, internet isn't exactly the most stable thing available here.
Hmm.
By the way, since the mask thing is already passed, I'll just tell that there was a difference compared to the manga. In the manga, it was lost in the fight, and then later on, they found it and gave it to
Okay.
Rimuru instead of broken
Oh,
and then fixing it.
if I'm not mistaken, someone actually commented, and yeah, the anime is based on the light novel, and it is kind of
What?
different from
Okay.
the manga.
So the hero part was mentioned in the novel?
Probably, I think, yeah.
Hmm.
What now?
Oh dear.
Was that supposed to be a Pokemon or something?
I don't know, or something from Avatar.
Poor Gopta.
Yeah.
Hmm. Oh. Oh. You can be a little shadow there.
Gopta is still
You still get paralyzed. Not paralyzed. Stunned.
Confusion.
Yeah, either stunned or confused. I'm guessing stunned. Yeah.
Good boy.
The hell's degenerate? Does it make you perfect?
Yeah, that's the first thing that comes to mind instead of I don't know whatever skill he's going to use.
Exactly.
You know, well, he knows
Seriously,
about
what the
it.
hell?
Degenerate
aware.
scum. Ah, okay.
Oh.
I wanted to say, well, degeneracy is kind of creepy, but yeah.
I assume that was the Black Lightning plus the Ifrit Flames.
Mm.
Did it have any effect?
Oh wow.
Oh,
Oh,
that will
that
actually
could,
very useful.
yeah, that's useful. Ah.
Does it have to cover your entire face?
I guess so, yeah.
Also, I don't get it. I don't think that mask has like any holes for your eyes to see through. So like,
I think the oh
Okay.
oh something happened.
Oh, there you go.
Oh,
It's the no, you're still alive, but
but severely wounded.
what do you mean? What happened? Can't you see what's?
No, he can't
There you
see
go.
because of the mask. Hey, hello.
Ah. There you go.
What?
Oh.
Oh, Ranga. Oh.
So the ogres are. So it's not Western ogre, right? It's
Yeah, it's
more like Oni.
Oni? I guess so.
Hmm? Oh, there you go. You know, what? I like her original weapon better because I always
course.
love morning stars.
They dead?
No,
Oh,
it's
okay.
just sleep.
Hmm. All right.
They actually use the word ogre though instead of Oni,
Yeah.
but they look more like Oni. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, these look more like Onis.
Yeah,
Mhm,
like
mhm.
Japanese.
Yeah, which is why. Okay, mostly Japanese weapon aside from the morning star. Or
Nope.
is that? Hmm.
Yeah, all things considered. Mm,
Hmm.
well, yeah,
Oh,
it's a
well.
cute little slime ball.
Sure, it is.
Hmm.
Mm,
Uh, you mean the orc?
I mean, does it always have to be orcs? It was pig.
Well, they already showed the orc last episode,
Yeah,
so it's
kind
definitely a
of
pig.
like a pig.
I know that's supposed to be foreshadowing, but like, hashtag not all orcs.
Nah.
Well, you underestimate him.
Oh.
One thing I want to point out is the
that's
giant guy
great.
with the wooden hammer is not in the opening
Huh.
or the ending.
So he'll be
Not
dead.
too important.
But yeah. Why would you?
Sure, Imuru. Oh, gotcha.
Ah, it's not in
Hmm.
some weird bondage thing.
Yeah.
That's unusual.
Oh,
I actually applaud the self-control there to
yeah.
not make it a bondage thing.
Oh. Right. There's more. Oh.
Hmm. Oh.
Yep.
Hmm? One of what?
Who? Oh, here we go.
How is he an orc? Oh,
Probably thought
the orc have
he is
yeah.
a
There's
comrade of the orcs. Something.
hmm.
Oh! Oh!
Ah.
That cut through the armor.
I think
Alright,
he
this
cut.
old man is real thing.
Hmm.
Oh.
Hmm.
Oh, this is one strong opponent.
I think he can just regrow it back,
Yeah.
so it doesn't really matter.
I'm amazed they're not suspicious that he's not bleeding at all.
Hmm. Yeah, there you go. Just
There you go.
attach it back.
Ultra speed regeneration.
Was the melting really necessary?
You know, it's to lower morale.
That's
I
like
guess.
a line of a villain.
Fire has no effect.
Yeah.
We already know this. Well,
Yeah.
but they don't, so I guess that's fine.
Nope.
Nope. It might burn the clothes though. But I guess
the cloth is
not.
resistant as well, I guess. Okay, the aura. Yep. Oh. All right. Just right at the rock.
Well, Rimuru doesn't want to kill them.
Yeah, I guess. Just a demonstration of
Yeah.
power.
Yeah, this one is kind of a spoiler for them. I don't know. Hmm.
Yeah, this is problem.
Damn muscle hits.
Hmm.
So I guess she'll be the waifu of the season.
I don't know.
Sorry, of the series.
Of the arc.
I mean,
Oh, will there be any other waifus?
the ones that showed quite prominently in the opening that are female is her and the other ogre. So
Hmm.
Timur is like, yes, thank you for
Yes, listen to
for
her,
covering
please.
for me.
Yep.
Maybe you want to, yeah, just use that. It's a passerby slime. Mm. Hmm. Yep, different one.
That's fine. You don't know what you're doing.
You only injured Kobuta, that's fine.
He's expendable there. Don't worry about that. Mm-hmm.
So is that the Pokemon they were talking about?
Maybe. You have no names?
Mm-hmm.
How do you live in a society like the ogre society if you don't have names? Hey,
We'll just call
you
each other,
there,
hey you, yeah.
Hey, you
the
red
one
hair
with the red
ogre with
clothes. That's so inefficient.
Well, they do explain that
Well,
monsters can do
remember,
telepathic thingy.
remember. If Rimuru gives them name, they'll be stronger. So they have to not have names.
Yeah, that's one thing.
That's yeah.
Can't you just override names though?
I don't know, maybe.
Like if someone weaker than you gives them a name, and then you name them again, like it just gets stronger and overrides their name or something.
Possible.
Depends on whether they want their name to be renamed or not.
I guess.
Yeah, out of all the ogres, you already know which one is my favorite. Yeah,
Well, you
the
did
one with
say
the
that.
suit. Yeah, the one with the suit. But again, I have to say this again that I don't like her weapon change.
I'm fine with it.
She
but
used
I think
a
the one I
morning
like the
star
most is
and
the
then
pink-haired one. But then again, that's like everyone's favorite.
yeah, the pink haired one
Everyone's
is
gonna
like
be the
the
favorite. So.
obvious
Yeah.
waifu choice.
I mean, there's these two, and then there's the female goblin Haruna. So like.
Well, I guess yeah.
Oh wait, actually, there's one
There's
more.
also that one weird chick in the ending there. I think she's an enemy, probably.
Oh, the other pink-haired one.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, she shows up later.
Okay. Okay.
Actually, there is another one, but I don't think that many people like her. It's the adventurer.
Oh, will
The
she
mage.
even appear again?
I assume so. She's shown up twice. She's probably gonna show up again more.
Okay. Well, all right then. That was Slime, episode 9. Pretty good episode, I have to say. Yeah, thank you for watching, and see you all next time. Bye.